That would suck if it blew up right then.
I would laugh my ass off, dude. And then I would call 911.
Here's the water.
Alright.
In case we have to put it out for some reason. Hopefully we don't, but...
Right here, you want to just hold that exactly where it is. Just keep that fire in the center.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go start feeding more shit to it.
I'd wait till it dies down, dude.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Because that's extremely hot. I know, I just jumped through it. Get back over here, dude. How long does this record for?
It should be up to an hour. Remember, it has plenty to go. Let me know if it gets a little battery. I have batteries in my car.
Okay. Just bring the paper towel rolls. Dude, get over here. It's about to blow. I'm gonna back the fuck up. Shit, dude. Put that out. Put it out. Dude, that was loud. Put it out. It's over here. Hurry up. Get some. Put it out.